This is Sam trying to get down. Stop walking.
There's a hill over there. Will I get hurt? If I jump, will it hurt?
I don't know.
Grayson, will it hurt?
Probably not. I've jumped off my roof before.
No, but my roof is like as high as this thing.
So is mine.
I have to climb down. Tyler, are you going to put that on Facebook?
No.
My hands are blue, and so is my foot. Oh, I can't. Get over it.
He can't. He's tied up.
Good job.
Go on, tired. Go on, tired dog, Grayson.
Right there.
Here, I'm gonna go and tired dog you.
I'm going to show it to your mom.
No. My mom's here. We have to go. Hurry up and get down, please. Can you hurry up and get down? Just turn around. Turn around. And fill for the gaps. Hurry.
Is my dog in my way?
No. Hurry up, I have to leave.
Are you going to Grayson's house?
No, I'm going home.